Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of SQL tutorial, today I will show you select statement and where clause. How to write the query using select and where clause. So let's go to the computer screen. I will show you step-by-step process. Now I am at computer screen. As part of SQL tutorial, today's topic is I set it up this way: select statement and SQL where clause. The select statement is used to select data from a database. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct unique values. SQL where clause. The where clause is used to filter records. The where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. We utilized the query and command in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Let's open that one. Those who are new in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, how to install and set it up SQL Server Express, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. Once you are in there, I have created college student database. Under the database there is a table which is called student in my previous tutorial. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch that video too. So once you are in here, then you need to open the query window. There are two ways you can open the query window. Once you click new query over here, it will open. Also, once you select the database, right click, then new query. Either way, it will open this query window. First thing first, here is the select statement. Select statement. So very first SQL query is select star from student. This is the database name. Star means it will retrieve all the data whatever in the student table is. Select star from student. If you select and execute this query, you see all the data retrieved. It has 99 row data. So this is, if you want a specific column data, you can retrieve that too, like this way. Select, let's say student name, comma, country from student. This statement will give you only the two column data, student name and country, because you selected only these two columns. If you select and execute the query, you see only two column data over here. Also, you can do another thing. Select top 5 star from student. This will give you top 5 row data. In this way, you can top 1, top 10, whatever data you needed, you can run this query through the select statement. You see it is top 5 row retrieved. Similar way, you can do 10 row data, whatever needed. Basically, it depends on your need. You can run this query, it will give you the 10 row data. So that's all about select statement. Then where clause. Where clause. So same thing, select star from student. First we will use the where. Let's say we want to see only the student, those country is USA. So where country equal to USA. If it is a string, you can put that within the single quotation. So if you run this query, you will see the data only those student, country is USA. It has 39 no retrieve. Similar way, you can try with the Canada. You see those student, country has Canada. Also, you can join the multiple condition over here. Let's say where country equal to Canada and subject equal to chemistry. So that means this filter will narrow down more. It will country Canada, from country who pick the subject chemistry, it will pull only those member student data. You see, only one student, he has the chemistry. And also you can do multiple, more, and or also you can do or subject equal to, let's say, CAC. There is no CAC student from Canada, only one is chemistry. Let me see another subject. Let's say Canada chemistry. Let me run this Canada. You see there are finance also there, electronics there, HRM is there. Let's say finance. It will pull the data chemistry or finance, whatever it has. You see, those are student, they have the chemistry and also finance. Is and condition or condition, either way it will true, it will pull that data. In this way, where basically this clause will filter the data, and the data has of the specific condition. Any condition you can put it over here. Let's say we put another condition where student ID equal to 128. So 128, it is a integer, not even a string, so you don't need the single quotation for that. You see, that is student. If you know the student specific information, you need to retrieve only that specific student data, you can do this filter. In this way, you can use where clause in your query. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in SQL, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.